Hi guys, Jake and Pugs here from Hayes Public House. Today we're going to give you a quick little tutorial on a couple of our layered beer drinks and how to make them at home with our crowlers that we now have for sale. I'm going to be doing our original layered drink, which we call the Banshee. It's the apple ale on the bottom with our Hayes Irish Stout on top.
And then I'm going to do kind of a run-of-the-mill black and tan with Irish Stout on the bottom and float our premium Irish lager on the top.
All right, let me start with the Banshee. First step is going to pick out proper glassware. Any glass will do, preferably made of glass, not plastic. It's not going to layer real well. It's not going to taste real good. Everything tastes better out of glass. Second ingredient is you're going to need your apple ale crowler, followed by your Hayes Irish Stout crowler. And then the last tool you will need is called a layering spoon. It's a bartender's tool. We have one here. You don't necessarily need this. Any spoon you have in your kitchen will do, preferably a larger teaspoon. What it's going to do is it's going to rest on the side of the glass and it's going to allow the beer to fall gently over the first layer of beer so that you don't mix them together. So, for the Banshee, you're going to pour your apple ale. You want to do about half and half. We'll do a little over half of the apple. Come just over our logo there. And then the next step is going to be the Hayes Irish Stout. Rest it on the edge and let it fall gently into the glass. You will get a little bit of mixing, but you'll be able to get a nice layer once it settles. And then you want to gently pull your spoon out. And as you can see here, with a little help from our friend the flashlight, you can see how the apple ale layers on the bottom, and it slowly will fade up into the stout on top.
And don't be afraid to experiment with this. You can use a little bit more apple, you can use a little more stout, or vice versa, whatever. But yeah, kind of get it to the taste that you guys want. But the Irish Stout should float on top of the apple very nicely.
Now we'll move on to the black and tan.
All right. So, unlike the Banshee, we're actually going to start with the Stout first. So, you're going to need a crowler of Irish Stout, and then you're going to need a crowler of the Langer's Ball Irish Lager. Crack open your Irish Stout. Pour at about a 45 again, up to about the bottom of the barrel. That's going to settle out. Use your tool once again. Kind of just let it rest over. And then pour the Langer's Ball right on and let it kind of sprinkle over the top. And again, you can use any tool in the kitchen, any type of spoon, teaspoon, or just a regular spoon. Pour your spoon out very slowly and gently, and you should be left with a really nice layered drink. And we'll let the flashlight kind of show you guys here. Irish Stout on bottom, the Langer's Ball on top. This is our black and tan. Let's try and get that in focus a little better. Doesn't want to focus. There we go. And there you have it. 2 layered drinks that we serve here right at the pub that you can make in the comfort of your own home. Thank you guys for tuning in. Enjoy, have some fun with it, get messy. Either way, it's going to taste great. So stop by. We got crawlers to go, curbside. We're stocked up, so see you in a little bit.
If you can't make it the first time, Try and try again. By the fourth time, you won't care anymore.
Sláinte.